This is shovelheadffej out in the shovelhead shed, the not so famous shovelhead shed. Super quick introduction. This video is the video at the 2021 Thunder by the Bay Chopper Show. It was one of the best chopper shows I ever been to. It was small enough that it was big and big enough that it was small. A lot of people, a lot of bikes, man. It was unbelievable. There's no way that I could whittle it. I got there when the gates opened. I was going to leave at 3. I stayed till about 7, me and my wife. There's no way that I can get everything into a short video. It was going to be an hour-long video, and I don't think anybody wants to sit there for an hour long. So what I did was I whittled it down. I'm going to do 2 videos. This is part 1, and then Sunday will be part 2. You know, the show is about the bikes, but it's also about the people. And I tried to capture both. I tried to get, the people and the bikes. A lot of friends there, a lot of met some new friends, and it was an awesome time. Man, if you ever get a chance to go to one, 100% go to one. I'll definitely be back. It was absolutely awesome. And that's all I got, man. Enjoy the video. I know my camera's kind of crooked, but yeah, whatever, man. It's my way, I guess. All right. Appreciate you guys watching. Thank you very much. And that's about it, man. All right. See you. As I was editing, I realized there was 2 things that I want to say. People always ask me, why do I play music in my videos? I'm usually in public events and stuff like that. Every event either has a band playing or they have radios playing, loudspeakers, and that's all copyrighted music. So I play music that I buy the license to so I can play it over the copyrighted music so I don't get a copyright strike. So that's the reason why. And I also want to say hi to Hambone, and especially to Logan and Wyatt. And Wyatt, I understand that you like Wyatt, I understand that you like watching my channel. I appreciate that, man. And your dad, he's a good guy. And glad I met him. And y'all take care. And Hambone, you might want to cover his eyes for the first few seconds of this video. Wyatt, that's the rooster saying hi. All right, see you guys. Peace.
22nd birthday?
21st birthday.
21st, I'm sorry.
I hope. I wish it was our 21st.
All right. Give me yours.
Hi, I'm April. You can find me on Instagram at Bridal Maiden. And I'm Blondie Shannon Braps. You can find me on Instagram at blondie_braps and blondiebraps.com.
Do you remember my name?
Shovelheadffej.
Fej. Close. That's it.
I didn't know you said it.
Yeah, that's it. Fej. Tell them how famous you are.
I am not famous at all.
He is very famous. Big famous YouTube star.
Not as cool as you.
Well,
I'm just saying.